Move to approve a Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week.
Is there a second? Moved second by Ms. Johnson. Any discussion? All in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? The ayes have it. Ms. Salisbury, would you read the resolution for me, please? We ask the Queen to come up. Would you please come forward? Queen Quartet. Quit. Would you please come up?
A resolution of the Charleston County Council proclaiming the week of July 28th through August 3rd, 2014 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas Charleston County is one of the oldest counties in South Carolina, and in the 18th century Charleston County and the South Carolina coast became the locale of some of the richest rice plantations in the South, which were linked to specific West African ethnic groups who became known as Gullah Geechee. And whereas the Gullah Geechee civilization originated in West Africa, its people coming to the United States as slaves to work on rice plantations, specifically in the coastal regions, including South Carolina, and with their African fare, original language, and craftsmanship, the Gullah Geechee people left their mark on southeastern South Carolina. And whereas the Gullah Geechee culture has had a powerful impact on the low country of South Carolina, including Charleston County, and these Gullah Geechee influences have helped to define our southern lifestyle and culture. And whereas the preservation and celebration of the Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum due to the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Act, created by United States Representative James Clyburn, as well as the efforts of others such as Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shah, co-founders of the International Gullah Geechee Nation Celebration and the annual Gullah Geechee Nation Music and Movement Festival. And whereas it is appropriate to recognize the importance of bringing awareness and appreciation for this rich culture and history in order to increase understanding of all the contributions of the Gullah Geechee have given to our area. Now therefore be it resolved that Charleston County Council does hereby recognize the 2014 Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival and proclaim the week of July 28th through August 3rd, 2014 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Charleston County, and encourages its citizens to participate in educational activities aimed at increasing both knowledge and appreciation of this rich culture. Charleston County Council.
All right. Mr. Taylor? Aye. Queen, would you like to say a few words?
Yes, sir. Should I go to the podium?
You can stay right there.
I can stay right here?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Stay
you,
right
sir.
there.
Thank you.
Right there. Stay right there.
Thank you, Charleston County Council. Thank you for all the staff and everybody who did here this evening. This your proud moment for we. You know, I've been in school right here in Charleston from Sullivan Island, so this your second home for me all the time. And I'm so glad if a day I go and left these with you and tell you about Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week and for the clerk, but for all of the Gullah Geechee family, especially the good wine what root grow right out of Charleston and things like that. I want to say thank you. And I know say all the Charleston children that shout this evening for truth. Because they tell me before, we ain't been going nowhere cracking we teeth like that shit. And we still a cracking, and we still a shouting, we still did, and ain't going nowhere tall. So thank you to all of you. And for the whole week, for all of the events, if you're on Twitter, follow us at Gullah Geechee, and you'll know everything that's going on, or follow us at GullahGeecheeNation.com. And we want everybody in Charleston to come to the River Dog Stadium Friday night for Gullah Geechee Heritage Night, and also Saturday to the Charleston Maritime Center, because we're going to have Gullah Geechee Reunion Day, and it's for everybody. Honey, ain't have to know how to crack your teeth like this shit. Just come shout with us and celebrate. Peace and blessings. Thank you all.
Peace and blessings to you.
Appreciate it.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.